Welcome back friends to our channel Tech Solutions. Today let's explore how to create a donut chart in Tableau. There is no direct option available in Tableau to create a donut chart. In that case, we have to use little trick to create a donut chart where we will be overlapping two different charts on each other and we'll create a donut chart. So let's start learning how to create a donut chart. Before that, let's see the data we are going to use for this example. We have this data where we have region wise sales distribution. So let's say we have a requirement to show a donut chart with total amount of sale done in the center, and the slices of donut will show each region percentage of sales done. So let's say for example we have total sale here 686k, and each region will be holding some percentage from that total number. So our final output will be looking something like this, which shows a total sale 686k done for all the region, and each region is showing the percentage of sales done out of that total. So like Central has 70% sale done, East has 10, North is approximately 15, and West is approximately 5. So that is our data. Let's see how to create this donut into a Tableau. Let's use our Excel file as our data source. We have all the columns required for our donut chart: the region, cell. Let's click on sheet 1. Drag region into colors. Instead of automatic, change it to pie. Drag cell into angle. Now we need two different charts, two different pie charts, so that we can overlap them to make a donut chart. We need number of records, calculated field. One. The calculation is valid. Press OK. Right click and pull this number of records into rows. Select average. Press Ctrl and make a copy of this number of records into rows again. Now we have two different pie charts. First of all, let's get rid of this scale and remove this 0 from both these pie charts. Let's change the size to fit it into the entire view. Change the size of top pie chart to big enough. For the bottom pie chart, we don't want it as as a pie chart. It should be a circle with total cell displayed in the center. For that, first of all, remove this region. Now it's a circle. and instead of this angle, change it to label. Now we have all the cells amount displayed in the center. Now next step is we want to overlap these two so that this bottom chart will be shown as a circle and on top of this first pie chart. For that, make it a dual axis. Synchronize the axis. We don't need this axis, so axis labels, headers, so uncheck this show header. Make this center circle big enough so that it will look as a donut. I think this is good, and change its color to white. So now we have total cell displayed in the center. Now let's label these pie slices. So region, press Ctrl and drag this region into label. All these slices are named with their respective region. Press Ctrl and drag this sum of cells into the labels. So now this sum of cells also displayed, but we want these slices should be displayed as a percentage of total. For that, go to quick table calculation, percentage of total, and here you go. We have total cell in the center and all the regions with their percentage share of the cell. Central region has 70% share of the total cell. East has 10%, north approximately. That's it from this tutorial, friends. Please subscribe our channel and let us know your feedback in comments. Keep exploring Tableau until we meet next time. Thank you.